So, brother, do you have any YouTube channel or Facebook page?
So basically, I am not a YouTuber and I don't have any kind of a Facebook page, but I have a YouTube channel. But on that channel, I don't upload video. I have
Oh,
uploaded only one video till now.
only one video till now. Your YouTube channel. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, brother, actually, I created one YouTube channel, and I have uploaded 10 video already uploaded in my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, that's great to hear.
Okay, not conversational video, but I daily practicing video upload in my channel.
Yeah, it's good thing. It's great.
I'm trying for good qualityful video, and I daily practicing video upload in my page or one Facebook page, and I have one YouTube channel.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's it, brother.
So, and what will I ask? I don't have any question to ask.
Okay.
So, if you have any topic, then you can share. We will discuss about that.
Okay. Actually, English is the most important. Every people, I think English is always help us and always helpful language. This language is most important. It's a global language, English.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely right.
okay.
So, have you visited any other state?
Okay. I visited West Bengal. I 1 year ago I go to West Bengal. That time I one work. That time I go to a hospital.
Sorry?
Okay, 1 year ago I visit West Bengal. Uh, that time hospital I visited.
Oh, hospital.
Hospital, and another state I visited South India state. That means Kerala. Working purposes I go to a few years ago. Okay.
And do you want to go foreign?
No, no. Actually, don't go to any foreign country. So I think my English language fluent speak at that time. I go to Dubai. I my
No.
on hobby
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay.
Oh, yeah. So, and say something about your childhood. How were you? So, were you naughty or not?
Okay. Actually, I my childhood. Actually, I today say something in my childhood this topic. So actually, childhood very good situation that time. Childhood, no tension, no depression. Childhood is a go to a situation this time. Childhood, I go to lower primary school. That time, most of friends, beautiful friend. That time, no problem, no tension. So, so I think childhood life is the best life. So
Yes.
that right now is most of family tension and personal tension. So many time, many kind of depression at this moment. So I think childhood life is the best life.
Absolutely right. And did you used to fight with your friend or any other boy?
Please try again. So I don't understood this question.
Yeah. So, did you used to fight with any boy in childhood?
Okay, okay. Oh, this yes, childhood life. Many other friends fight. So right now I forgot it. So
And did you used to steal any kind of fruit like mango, guava, or